UEFA threatens FIFA with legal action in letter to Gianni Infantino. UEFA has threatened FIFA with legal action over its failed plans to sell stakes in the World Cup and other tournaments to private investors. European football's governing body has written to FIFA, stating it is considering legal action, arbitration, and/or regulatory complaints in connection with the proposals, and has demanded all documents related to the plans not be destroyed. Advertisement, the 6-page letter, first reported by the Telegraph, and which has been seen by The Athletic, is addressed to FIFA President Gianni Infantino and is dated Friday, July 31. Within it, UEFA lists a selection of materials to retain and names 18 FIFA figures that it says the governing body should ensure that each of them specifically preserves all such materials in their possession.
So why is everyone suddenly talking about GLP-1?
It's the hormone that helps control cravings, blood sugar, and appetite. Basically, it tells your brain you're full.
Most GLP-1 supplements out there are actually cinnamon or turmeric in a capsule,
Which don't actually support GLP-1.
Edavita GLP-1 is different. It's the first capsule with Akkermansia, a gut bacteria linked to GLP-1 release.
Plus berberine, green tea, grapeseed, hibiscus, and prebiotics to feed the good bacteria.
Scan the QR code now or visit grabdeal.us/7 to explore the details.
A law firm writing on UEFA's behalf say it demands both Infantino personally and FIFA as an organization take immediate steps to identify, locate, and preserve all documents and electronically stored information on the matter. They want all documents relating to the conception, design, structure, governance, valuation, and implementation of the plan, including board papers, committee papers, strategy documents, financial models, valuations, pitch materials, due diligence reports, legal opinions, term sheets, letters of intent, investment agreements, shareholder agreements, and all drafts. They are requesting the preservation of any correspondence involving a FIFA officer, employee, committee member, consultant, or agent, or any FIFA member association, confederation, broadcaster, sponsor, or financial institution. FIFA announced plans on Tuesday to sell a significant minority stake to private investors in a new entity that it, as a nonprofit organization, was setting up to run its main events, such as the World Cups and Club World Cups. FIFA wanted to sell a fifth of the new entity, called FIFA Forward Enterprises, FFE, to an investor group led by Thrive Eternal, a U.S. investment fund run by Joshua Kushner, the brother of President Trump's son-in-law Jared Kushner, for $4.2 billion, 3.1 BN. FIFA and Infantino scrapped the proposals on Friday following significant backlash, including from UEFA, who vowed to boycott the World Cup in protest. Advertisement, the letter requests all documents are preserved relating to the proposed investment by Kushner's Thrive Eternal, and all documents relating to JP Morgan's engagement, including mandate letters, engagement terms, investor outreach materials, and communications with prospective investors. The letter also seeks that leading FIFA management officials preserve materials relevant to the matter, which may be in their possession by virtue of their positions in the organization, with former Arsenal manager Arsene Wenger, now FIFA's chief of global football development, and former U.S. women's national team manager Jill Ellis, now chief football officer, among the 18 figures listed. The list does not presume or evidence any involvement or knowledge in the plans, as it also includes Kevin Lammer, the organization's COO who put his job on the line on Friday when speaking out on the plan and accusing Infantino of blindsiding colleagues. The letter continues. UEFA puts you on formal notice that any destruction, deletion, alteration, concealment, or loss of relevant materials following receipt of this notice, or following any earlier date on which you were, or reasonably should have been, aware that proceedings were anticipated, may constitute spoliation of evidence. FIFA has been approached by The Athletic for comment. UEFA met to discuss the plans on Thursday and announced that all 55 European members would boycott all FIFA competitions unless the proposals were abandoned. This was followed by CONCACAF and the Asian Football Confederation, AFC, both rejecting the plans. Following FIFA's U-turn, UEFA released a statement on Saturday stating it and other members of the football family had lost confidence in Infantino, accusing the FIFA president of a shabby, backroom, opaque deal.